Good evening. Oh, long time no see. How are you today? Oh, today I have a busy day. So now I must to do my homework. And today I want to tell you about linking sound. We have 4 cases. The first one, if we have 2 words and the ending of first word is consonant and the beginning of second word is vowel. For example, love it, give up, stand up, turn off, take off, stick it, get it, got it, got it, got it, look at, call it, work out, come on, need it, make up, look after, stop it, wake up, read it, put up with. Okay, the second case is when we have 2 words and both of them okay, and the end of the first word is consonant and the beginning or second word is consonant too. For example, big girl, warm milk, seldom, and deep music, help me. And the third case is 2 words and the end of first word and the beginning of second word is vowel too. For example, money, do it, go anywhere, he asked. Okay, the last one, the last case is we have consonant plus y. Yeah. Sound y. Yeah. Okay. I have 4 cases in this case. The first one, T plus Y. We have want you. Or D plus Y. We have need you, loved you. Okay, and the third case is we have plus Y. For example, miss you, and the last case is we have Z plus Y. For example, whose is your friend, who's your friend. Okay, I just tell you about linking sound and hope you can understand all things what I say. So bye bye.